Let me show you what to do if your wig feels too big or too small. And if you haven't seen one of these, this is the René of Paris wig grip, and I want to show you this because this is a wonderful accessory. If your wig is feeling a little big, this is going to help. So I'm going to start off showing you. You may not know this. I run into people all the time. On the back of your wig, let me do this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to turn her inside out. This is the back of this wig, same wig that I'm wearing. On the back here, we have adjustments. See, one here and one here. So I share all the time. I know a lot of times you may not have a measuring tape. You get nervous. You want to measure before you order something. Even after you get it, you're worried about measurements. Don't worry about it. Let me show you what to do. So these adjustments are designed. It's like a little buckle. You're going to take it and you're going to move it in. Hopefully you can see this. I'm moving it in. I'm pulling towards the center of the wig on both sides. This is going to minimize the circumference. As you can see, I've taken it and I've moved it towards the middle. I've moved towards the middle. This is going to make the wig smaller. For myself, when I get the wig out of the box, let me show you what I have to do because I have to make the wig larger. I'm going to take this same little buckle and I'm moving this out all the way to the end. I'm going to do this on this side as well. And this actually opens up the wig about almost an inch, give or take a little. So please remember, on the back of the wig, this is the nape. On the back here, these are the two adjustments. This is how you're going to make the wig larger or smaller. Also, I'd also like to share, in the event that you have a wig that you just feel is like too big or it's too small and you would like to have it tailored, what I call tailored, you can look for a wig shop, look for a wig professional, and you can also have those tailored, meaning that they can take part of the wig, cut it out, and then sew it back together, which is gonna minimize the size from here to here or from here to here. Okay, so now I want to share with you if you feel like your wig is a little bit too big. Let me show you, just in case you haven't seen this, let me just go ahead and show you how to do this. This is the wig grip, the René of Paris wig grip. I'm going to put this on. And you always want to make sure that the pieces line up. So if you're wearing a wig liner nylon cap, you want to make sure that the grip aligns correctly here. I can't tell you what a wonderful accessory this is to just keep the wig in place. And you always want to make sure that it's not showing in the back on both sides. Always make sure that you look to see that this is not showing. Use a mirror. This is very, very important. Make sure your ear tabs are correctly in place and flat. But see how, let me pull this back just a little bit. See how this helps keep the wig in place. So if your wig is feeling a little bit too big, I highly suggest the wig grip because it's the perfect accessory.